Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the exact YouTube account that will display the music symbol. You must be signed in. Once done, verify the channel and set a custom channel name because YouTube checks identity and metadata before offering badges. Make sure channel customization is enabled and channel visibility is public in settings. This primes YouTube's interface to show advanced options. You're doing this now because skipping verification, or public status, is the most common reason the music symbol won't appear. Next, open YouTube Studio and navigate to Customization, then check Branding or Basic Info where channel icons and badges live. You upload the small music badge or choose a verified music partner option if available. Use YouTube's recommended dimensions so the asset isn't rejected. Apply changes and allow processing time because YouTube needs to propagate the update across devices. Make sure to check both desktop and mobile after a short wait to confirm the music symbol rendered correctly. To finish, clear your browser cache, sign out and sign back in, or use incognito to verify the music symbol appears. Sometimes local caching hides changes. If it still doesn't show, confirm you meet any music partner or eligibility requirements. YouTube limits music badges to certain channels. If requirements are met but the symbol is missing, contact YouTube support and provide your channel ID plus screenshots. That speeds resolution because support can check backend settings and processing logs for your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.